Welcome to Gallery Oldham, a museum that looks after artworks and objects from the past and present. Before this building behind me was opened in 2002, this was Oldham's old gallery.
It was called the Free Reference Library, Museum and Art Gallery, and it opened in 1883. It is a Grade 2 listed building, which means it is a protected building of historic significance. It was a place about and for learning, and this is why the Oldham architect Thomas Mitchell Oldham adorned the building with faces of famous artists, writers and engineers, including Shakespeare, Isaac Newton, traditional artists like Raphael and Michelangelo, and Samuel Crompton, who invented a spinning mule used in every mill in Oldham. All these faces are of men. There were many notable women, but women have been neglected through history. Gallery Oldham is a place that aims to highlight different voices and stories, including the hard work of women. On top of the old gallery is Lady Wrigley, otherwise known as the Green Lady. Not everyone wanted a free public library and art gallery. Prior to its build, there were arguments over what the state should fund and if local taxes should go up to pay for this building. The main opponent of the build was local councillor Wrigley. The plan to build a place where people could learn and gain an education went ahead despite Wrigley's views. So Lady Wrigley was added as a feature despite him. It's stories like these that keep history alive, and we do this at Gallery Oldham by displaying our collections and exhibitions.
This is the entrance where you can access our galleries. Here on the bridge link that connects the old gallery to the new gallery, we have our Oldham panorama. This is a huge photograph taken in 1876 by Squire Knott.
Gallery Oldham is a free public gallery for all to use. All of these items belong to the people of Oldham, and we hope they inspire local pride. We have a social history collection, a fine art collection, and a natural history collection, which includes taxidermy. The owl is the symbol of Oldham and means wisdom, which links to Oldham's motto, Dare to be wise. We also have a stone owl on display, but we don't know where it has come from. We don't know everything about collection items, and if people want to share their stories or knowledge about them, we welcome that. At Gallery Oldham, we have changing exhibitions and events, as well as touring and contemporary art exhibitions and the Oldham Open. We have work in our collection by local artists and artefacts relating to Oldham's history as a cotton spinning town. You can visit Gallery Oldham to learn more about your local area and history in your free time or as part of an organised event. You can also find out more and engage in digital activities by visiting our website and social media.